This is CAT S75 and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, onwards enter the Network and Internet category. From here, go for the Wi-Fi, connect your smartphone to whatever network you would like to share and then tap on it. Once you've made it to the network details page, go for the share icon. And the Share Wi-Fi section will not only reveal the Wi-Fi password for this network, but also provide you with the convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device you have and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.